Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks, where creativity meets technology in the most innovative ways. Unlock the full potential of MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint with our creative hacks and tips. From formulas to data visualization, we'll help you excel in Excel with creative and efficient techniques. Dive into the world of MS Word and discover how creativity and productivity intertwine. Learn how to captivate your audience with stunning presentations in MS PowerPoint. Transform your PDF game with our hacks and tricks for a seamless digital document experience. Join our community of tech enthusiasts and creative minds. Let's explore the endless possibilities of the digital world together. Subscribe to Creative IT Hacks for regular doses of creativity, efficiency, and mastery in the world of IT. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Creative IT Hacks, IT creative solutions, one keystroke at a time. Subscribe now and let's unleash your IT creativity.